Ringke cases for the Sony Xperia XZ2. So I want to give a special shout out to Ringke for sending these over to me for review. And also as a bonus, they sent over these premium microfiber cleaning cloth. Let's check these out real fast. Just rip it open and let's see, how many do we get inside? We get, okay, a little carrying pouch here for your cloths. And in that package, we get 6 cloths. Nice. We'll go check these out in a little bit. Here's the 2 cases. Open one up, tear here, which is exactly what I am gonna do. And inside we get a little lanyard strap. Cool. So how do you undo this? Just gonna, here we go. Little lanyard strap. Pretty cool addition by Ringke. Rat poison, put that to the side. And enjoy your free gift, which is the strap. Nice. And little thank you card. You're welcome. Put that to the side. This is the case itself. TPU case. On the inside, the ultimate experience, Ringke Onyx. So let the light hit it. There you go. So you can see. And on the bottom it says rear and made in Korea. And on the top left of the case on the inside, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that says shock absorption technology right there. So let the light hit it right there. Can you see that? On the back of the case, cutouts for your cameras, fingerprint scanner, Ringke branding here on this part of the case, and you have a brushed aluminum look on the back here, and on top and bottom you have a pattern that resembles carbon fiber, but it's not carbon fiber. It just looks that way depending on how the light hits it. This side of the case, nothing except for the lanyard hole right there. This side of the case, you have your raised buttons for your volume, power, camera, shutter. Okay, bottom of the case, cutouts for your charging, mic. Top of the case, another cutout for your mic. Let's go ahead and put the XZ2 in and check it out. Snaps right on from the front. The case is black, so it blends in perfectly with the black XZ2. Flipping it over in the back, and it's gonna look like that. And this looks very nice. Brushed aluminum look with that pattern on top and bottom. Nice combination indeed. Now on the XZ2, Sony did place the fingerprint scanner pretty much in the middle of the phone, so it might be a little awkward. However, this case, there's a little bit of a bevel right here, so it helps guide your finger to the scanner. So let's check it out right now. Works like a charm. Button tactility, nice and tactile. No issues with the buttons. Volume rocker. Here we go. And the camera, just press this real fast. And the button's nice and tactile. Doesn't do anything because I'm not in the camera, but trust me, that button works. Check out the front lip of this guy. And you do get a little bit of a front lip. Actually, you get a massive front lip on all sides of the front. So you put this phone flat on the table. Glass will not touch the surface. So this one is the Ringke. I'm not sure what they call this one. All it says on the packaging is Onyx. Oh, the Ringke Onyx. This is the Ringke Onyx. That's right. For the Sony Xperia XZ2. This one's a nice case, man. I like how this looks on the black XZ2. Nice. Feels good in the hand too. So this one also says Onyx on it, plus strap, eco package. So we'll see what's different about this one. It looks a little bit different from what I can tell through the packaging, but let's go ahead and tear it up and see what we get on the inside. Lanyard, same thing as before. Okay. Another rat poison. And enjoy your free gift, thank you card, same thing as previous. And this is the case itself. This is actually for the XZ2 Compact, which sadly I don't have. I just have the regular XZ2. So we'll just take a look at the case anyway. You have your cutout for your fingerprint scanner, cutout for your cameras, and flash and some sensors on this side. I am guessing on the bottom. Cutout for your charging, for the mic, raised buttons here. Now, same setup as on the regular XZ2. On the Compact, camera shutter, power, volume rocker. This side of the phone, nothing You do have Ringke branding right here. Let the light hit it. Let's see if you can see that right there. You see that? That's Ringke. It says Ringke right there. Cut out for your lanyard and cut out here on top. There you go. Now this case looks really nice. Too bad I don't have an XZ2 compact with me, but you do get that pattern here on the bottom, I'd say about 1/3 of the case, and on the top portion of the case, that brushed aluminum pattern. Now this is a TPU case. It's neither carbon fiber or aluminum, but you have that look. Judging from the fitment of this case on the XZ2, should be nice and precise. Checking out these microfiber cloths by Lupin or Lupin. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Open one up and check this out really quickly. There you go. Nicely sized microfiber cleaning cloth. So you have a bunch of these. Clean your screen like so. Clean your sunglasses, etc. This is a good thing to have laying around in all kinds of different places. Your car, at your desk at work, in your pocket, bag, etc. If you're interested in these, I'll go ahead and put links in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.